and I will talk on behalf of my sisters. So, okay, I didn't write a tribute down, but I will just tell you what my dad was to me and to my sisters. So, Muhiko was a great man, as you all know. He loved everybody and he loved us very much. And to the people who have followed me on my TikTok know we are very close, very, very close. And I can say a lot of men do like marry afterwards, after their wives die and their kids are left in the mercy of the stepmoms and all. But my dad wasn't like that. He stayed with us, he comforted us, he was there for us, and he gave us everything we needed. So today I can just say he was the best man I can describe, and we love him so much. Yeah, that's all I can say. Thank you.
Thank you so much. God is good and all the times. Asante sana. Thank you. Karagu abetoka tu karagu wa mwana. Thank you muno ndio wakujita ndoka mbele ya amemerekia. Asante sana na ndo mukoro inene mwende tumwendete. Tokoragwo na mwanake wanyu wetagwo katakati guo. Egetiwa goko. Ndekujirite ndibugaire mo mukirangeithi. Asanteni sana na gitumi kinene muno. Gya gukinya guku ni kuhurukia murata wakwa witagwo Muhiko. Gatagati ka aini aria kana amemerekia aria macamanitie na aini aingi ndongera Ngai thengio tondu ndi umwe wao. Irio mainaga megikundi gitagwo kia Gospel Nation gwicia ndari part ya aria manatuma ona nyimbo ciao ituike ni kumenyeka. Andu ta Nahashoni Maina ndio kumenya tugereire barabara ile oro imwe ana mbere nene kana gikiuge no gwikinyia rabirambi ciakwa kuri family ya Muhiko na aikari aitura riri guku muthuri ucio aumite wamwe amurathime na mwikage wega ana muthio na mbere guthikiriria mitambo ya kameme umathi na cara nginya thaina cia utuku no tulicemanagia twina inyue hamwe na mundu witagwo etagwo Thank you and God bless you.
Asante sana tumuhurero hilo wega. Finally hena muthuri wa kunyitiriria nitramenya ndinahota gutambura andu othe